What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk to you about my few skin and hair care essential products. So I have narrowed it down to a few products. I really don't wanted to make an elaborate video on a bunch of products. So these products are very essentials and very basic products. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So if you really want to know what all the products I use, please continue watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about, which is an absolute necessity for me, and I cannot go without this product. This is like my everyday product, and I cannot imagine a single day without this product. Like, my skin will cry for sure. So that is basically this Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Cleansing Facial Wash. So this guy saves my skin from all this pollution and dust. So as you can see, I have a pretty blemished and a pretty dull skin. So this is an absolute go-to for me. So what it does is, it's a very mild face wash, but it is perfect for skin type like me. Like I already have one and I have spots. So this is basically reduced to half what I used to have. This has been my absolute go-to since ages. So basically, people with sensitive skin and people with my skin type, this is a lifesaver thing, guys. This is a definitely lifesaver thing. Once you start using it, so it basically requires a little like tiny drop and it does its work. So I use it once in the morning, once I get up, and once in the night. You can use it as many as time you want, but I use it like that. So the next product what I'm going to talk about is a very basic hair care product. So we all have grown up probably using something or the other from this brand. So which is basically Parachute Advanced Aloe Vera Enriched Coconut Hair Oil. Yes. This is a very good hair care oil which is available in the market. So it is basically a normal coconut oil with a mixture of aloe vera. So what it does is, so it is as it is said that it is generally it's a very good treatment for your hair to use coconut oil every once in a while. So as I have a very dry hair texture and everything and anything gets stuck in my skull and it basically gets lost in my hair, so that's a different issue altogether. So this is an absolute lifesaver, guys. So this is just a basic hair oil and Chumpy saves the day. It saves you from headache, it saves your hair, it gives you a very good hair day. So how I use this product is, you can use it in two ways, but what I do is, as I stay alone, I really don't have that much patience to do all this treatment for my hair. So what I do is, I just take a palm full of it and I just massage it in the scalp. So you really need to massage it in your scalp so that it gets soaked inside your scalp. Then you need to massage it till the end of your roots. Do not massage any oil to your roots. Oil is basically needed. Any hair oil, be it this, be it coconut oil, be it any other hair oil, you are supposed to use it just in your scalp. Your scalp is what needs oil, not your roots. Once you use oil in your roots become very oily. It tends to attract more dust than it's supposed to. So do not use any hair oil in your roots. You're supposed to use hair oils just in your scalp. So this is how I use it. I just take a palm full of it and just apply it in my scalp and leave it for 30 minutes. Then I wash it off with shampoo. Another thing what you can do is, you can take a palm full of it, or like if you have a small bowl, you can just take as much as you want or as much as it requires in your hair. You can heat it up and then you can just, don't burn your hand, just let it be a little warm and you can apply it. So it will give you a hot oil therapy also. And then after applying it, you can just wrap your head with a hot towel and leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it off with your desirable shampoo. So as we just talk about a hair oil product, so let me talk about my favorite shampoo. So this is basically not something that I have been using for like ages and all. I just started using. So this is basically Love Beauty and Planet shampoo. So I use it in argan oil and lavender aroma. So this is the shampoo which I have been using since quite like half a month or so, and I am in absolute love with this shampoo. So this is basically 100% vegan, certified cruelty free, organic coconut oil, natural argan oil, 99% biodegradable formula, and this bottle is made of 100% recycled plastic. So this is basically a very natural shampoo, and I am in absolute in love with this. So all in today's age, all we need is a very natural product, at least to our skin. Where there is a lot of pollutions going outside, at least our skin deserves some natural love. So with this shampoo, I use this same Beauty and Planet conditioner. I am in love with this both products. So if you have, they have different shampoos and conditioners for different hair types. So this is the perfect thing for my hair type. So if you are somebody who's having my hair type, as in frizzy, curly and dry, so this is your type of shampoo. So this is the shampoo which you want. Basically calms down your frizzy hair, acts love to our planet. Basically I ordered this from Nykaa. So basically this is a very new product. So what made me buy this product is basically it's very cute packaging, and definitely it's right up. So what it's written here: how can you make a little difference every day in your shower? There is a clue in your name. Love, Beauty and Planet. How cute is this? So it's 100% vegan and 100% cruelty free. Do try this, and please try this according to your hair type and your hair texture. This goes for me, this might not go for you, so please try it according to your hair type and hair texture. I promise this is the last hair care product that I'm going to show you today. So this is basically Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask. I am in total love with this. So probably they have another thing with this, which is some onion mask or something, but this is perfect for my hair. So this is basically argan hair mask with argan avocado oil and milk protein. Trust me, this does that wonder. This make you have that perfect hair day. This is a wonderful product. So how you use it, it's comes with this. You just need to open this, and here comes a lead. You just need to open this lead. So as you can see, I have already finished it. There is a little bit of left. So what you need to do is you need to take a palm full of it, and you need to apply it again in your scalp, and then massage it through, and then you need to apply it a little by little in your whole hair, and just leave it for 30 minutes, and then just rinse it off. Do not use any shampoo, and if you want to use shampoo, make sure that your shampoo is 100% natural without any added chemical. If you have a chemical based shampoo, do not use that shampoo after you use this. So when you use this, after you rinse it off, if you have a natural shampoo, rinse it off with the natural shampoo. No need to use any conditioner, just rinse it off with the natural shampoo. If you do not have a natural shampoo, it is absolutely fine, just rinse it off with normal water. Okay, so the next product is basically related to two products. So as we are in the middle of a pandemic, I don't want to talk about it as I am no expert in talking about it. So we are washing hands very frequently, and for 20 seconds each. So we are washing hands very frequently, and obviously washing hands, be you wash with any hand wash, be it of any brand, be it of a luxury brand, be it of any high-end brand. So basically when you wash your hand too frequently, your skin tends to go very rough, especially the skin of this upper part, not the skin of this part. So to prevent that, what I use is I use this body butter from the Body Shop. You can use it in your whole body, but as it is a very summer season and body butter can gives a lot of sweat, so what I do is I just take a little bit of it, just this much, just rub it in your fingers and just apply it in the areas which tends to get attracted or tends to get more washed in the soap, and just leave it overnight. It smells delicious and it saves. So basically the thing what I have here, it's basically a hard dry skin, and I used to have in every corner. The day I started washing my hand very frequently, after a week or so, this happened to almost every single part of my finger. So what I did is I used this body butter before going to sleep, and trust me, this softened my hand like never before. So this is my absolute essential during this lockdown. So the flavor, the one I use is Japanese cherry blossom strawberry kiss. It's not necessary you have to use the Body Shop body butter. You can use any thick cream. So basically you can use a Vaseline petroleum jelly also. The whole point is to moisturize your hand as much as you can, because this guy does all its wonder to make your skin as dry as possible. But for that, do not stop washing your hand. Wash your hand as frequently as you can, and definitely keep your hand clean. So the next and the last product of today's video is body wash. So basically I have been using this body wash for quite a while, and I am the person who loves to smell nice, to smell refreshed after a shower. So what I use is this. This is basically Bath and Body Works Paris Amour. This is my go-to shower gel, and I have been using this. Has been 7 to 8 years that I have been using this body wash. So they have a lot of flavor. Obviously Bath and Body Works do have a lot of flavor, but this is my favorite flavor of them all. I've tried almost all of their products, but this be my favorite since a longer period of time. So this have a very floral fragrance which gives you that instant kind of refresh, and you feel fresh. Hope you like my video. So that's it for today's video. If you like, do share it and subscribe, and please spread love. Be nice to everyone. Bye.